You guys ready?
Oh yeah. Get a good picture of that.
I'm doing a video.
I know.
Okay.
A video of that.
Gulf Hagas, the Grand Canyon of Maine. We are at Gulf Hagas. This is Jeremy.
Hi.
This is Taylor. Taylor. Say hi to YouTube land. So this is the beginning of the trail. Take a few videos and hopefully splice them together, because I don't think you want to have a video of the whole thing. But maybe you do. Try not to make you dizzy or sick with my video skills. Alright. Okay, here's the crossing at Gulf Hagas. You have to cross the... Is this a river or a stream? I don't want to sound stupid.
Well, it's technically a river, but...
Okay. So you can choose to change your shoes, or just wear what you have.
And it's not even cold.
No? Yes it is, liar. You can see how clear the water is. I'll show you a little view. It's gorgeous. And the water's not that deep. You can see my little feet.
No. Oh. You want me to hold your hand?
No! Not this time. Usually, yes. I am always the one in the back. I take my time. Hopefully I don't fall in. I think I will. I'm going to go around these rocks though. So for those of you that can't get out and enjoy, you can just pretend you're walking in the water with me right now. And it's super cold, but refreshing. Alright. We are across. And we're coming upon the trailhead to the waterfalls. A lot of people come to Gulf Hagas for the falls. My husband has been coming here since he was a kid. And I've been coming here since I was a teenager. So it's about a mile hike that we just did from the water. And here's a sign saying where else you can go from here. Oh, hey, Taylor.
Hi.
That's our son, Taylor. We have not introduced him yet on YouTube. He's an important part of the Smith family. Try not to shake the camera. It'll make you guys sick. Listen to the water. Look at that. Beauteous. Gotta get down a rock here. Woo. Crystal clear water. So cool. This is a good hike to do for like just a day trip. Or a couple hour trip actually. We just took a couple hours from homesteading today to come up here. Down below. loud. And yes, I'm still here. Here we are at another waterfall in Hagas. Look at that. The ledge. Mystical. So neat. And that's another swimming hole up there. There we go. So here we are at the waterfall. And there we go. And this is nice. The water is definitely not warm. Super deep. Yep, go. Good landing.